Let's build boats. What are you guys doing? Get off me, fatties. So we're gonna build boats with peanut butter, Joe, and cameraman.
And CWC.
I don't care about her.
What?
Okay, let's build boats. My main account is just whatever she's
No
doing.
anymore.
Hi, cameraman. Hi,
Are we all
cameraman.
gonna do this together or what now?
Yeah, we are doing this together. Stinky.
I can't build no nothing because I'm too broke in this game and
Yeah, because you don't play this game.
Of course I don't.
Of course you don't. You never do.
That's the only thing I can get. Sorry. You delete that, please.
Look what I got, guys. Look, it's a thing.
The guy wanted to join my team.
No, don't let him in. This is a private friend group.
I didn't let him in.
Yes, I shot her. You start now, animal. It's like when you tie your dog.
Can you do that to me?
There's a countdown. This is like when you tie your dog to a fence in Minecraft.
I do have quite some bricks.
Oh, then your neck. Youch.
Guys, who's the boss of this?
Wait, I'm gonna do it to you like right now. Get here.
No, I can't get off.
Did it work? Yeah, it worked. Ow. I think I shot your pigtail. I shot your pigtail. Oh, ow. Youch. Your pigtail.
No, this May guy keeps wanting to join.
What male guy?
No, May. May something.
Is it MHEHOPM?
I think so.
I see that. Are you tying your animal up? Tying your pet dog up?
You see the main survivor though?
No, only the team leader can see it. So yeah, good luck dealing with that boy.
No,
Okay.
It's not the MH blah blah blah. It's the Zovardo.
Zahado.
Are we recording yet or not?
Yes, I am recording. So stop asking. Okay, now let's build boat. Let's build a boat. I'm gonna speed this part. Just build a boat. Build a tiny one. In the thing.
I need a driver.
Then you place the driver's seat. Oh wait, my other account needs to get on. Wait. You guys ready? We're like evil pirates. Let's laugh. Ha ha.
You asking me?
Haha.
Wait, get the sword.
Oh yeah, you guys didn't say hi to the viewers. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, stupid.
You can't just say that.
Get the sword.
Why do we need swords?
We need sword.
Fine, I guess. I get. It's hard. Wait, before we leave, let me just quickly just. Oh, I shot the wrong thing. I meant to shoot C. Okay, let's do launch.
I know.
Oh, got a boat. It's already breaking apart like Lego.
See, Daddy, get the
The shield. The shield.
This is so weird.
This is so rigged.
Get the socks, Daddy. See.
The camera died.
No! My fox hat!
Oh. It drowned. It just drowned. Okay, time to build boats. Let's go. No.
It was good. Like, make it properly this time, please.
I don't care. Shit, I missed. You were like metal. It just bounced off you.
Tastes like strawberries on the summer evening. What?
Yes! Bullying.
Wait, launch the ball. I want to see what.
I like cyberbullying.
Wait.
Tying your dog to a fence.
Launch the ball. I don't.
I'm never playing this with you ever again.
I don't care. Why is my avatar taller than yours, lol?
Because she's sorry.
The fact that she's taller than me in real life makes things so funny.
And
I'm gonna kill myself so I don't have to play with y'all.
Bro.
a rainbow boat or candy boat. Baby, don't you want to get shot, right? No. Yeah, I'll shoot the camera. Oh, I keep missing. Can I try to shoot? Anybody can use it, so yeah. You shoot the camera or something. Which one is the camera? You can tell. Doesn't work. There.
Dumb. You
Let me
shot
add
me.
bricks 'cause
You
I-
shot me. Ouch. I'm a dog. I'm a very bad dog. I'm very fierce. I bite people. That's why my owner tied me up. Hi. Smack.
Making boat the biggest boat we ever made. I wasn't at KFC. I was at BFC.
BFC? What is that?
I was.
Why do I feel like it's something bad though?
Well, I know that KFC is kidnapping fat children, so I know that's a good thing.
At Wendy's. I was at Wendy's and then I flew to LA and then I went to
What?
Wendy's.
What?
What?
How are you in Wendy's?
Why would you be eating
Wendy's not.
Something sus.
Yes, I got her. Headshot. Headshot. Headshot.
Kakana.
Headshot. Look, I got you. Hey, PB, I got a pet puppy. You want it? I don't like it. Here, take the dog. Take the dog, please. I don't like it. Hey, ew, whose ball is that? What the heck?
Oh my god.
Ew, wait, what? Is he having a seizure?
Killed me.
What the-
I guess.
Why is this? What is? Oh, he's gone. PB needs therapy. Oh god. There we go. I don't think that is not good.
Many things in front.
Yes. What just happened? Phoebe, what do you do? You sound like a rat. Who's trying to shoot the thing? Who's trying to shoot the harpoon? Bro, guys, stop with the harpoon.
Wait, I wanna put the camera. Let me put camera.
Bro, C is actually
Get
stuck.
me out of here then.
C is stuck.
I hate you forever.
Breaking news, CDRC is stuck.
Fine.
Okay, sit down. Everybody sit down. Confirm everybody is safe.
Wait, let me add more things in front.
Who shot that?
Who's trying to shoot the harpoon?
Who?
What harpoon?
The harpoon.
What's a harpoon?
Sister doesn't know what a harpoon is. Okay, let's launch.
No, I was putting things in front.
Booster.
Shush, shush, shush.
What the heck? Can someone help me like shoot that harpoon? It's like very bad aim.
Okay, fine.
Even
Oh,
worse.
where did we go?
Oh god, why is a waterfall?
Can I use one?
We're gonna use the help SOS. I
We're going to heaven.
What? I'm the only one here now.
Yeah.
yeah, you're going to heck.